Welcome back to Factories of the Future as we now look at Offworld Mining. To forecast Offworld Mining, mainly we're looking at satisfactory and the way that the miners work there. So in satisfactory, you find ore, a point, you put a miner on it, it automatically mines it and puts it on a conveyor belt for you. This is kind of shown here as in the game, mining on conveyor belt leads to other processes which we'll talk about with manufacturing in the next video. But the main thing here is, as you can see, conveyor belts, we can do that, nothing really special. But the interesting part comes with the interplanetary element. Looking at space and manufacturing off-world has been done before by David Sivolella. Did my best, I hope that's right. But actually he mostly just looked at kind of the ethics and whether we should do it and why we should do it, whereas here I'm trying to look at what it will actually look like when it does happen. And so at the moment there's asteroid mining ideas on the right here, and the bottom one is actually a company's design that they want to make to go and mine specific asteroids that they have planned and are seeking funding and trying to actively go out and build that idea. But I think for space mining manufacturing to happen, the off-world mining needs to be a combination of these things. So obviously you can't just open cut mine automatically easily, so that's probably not a good option. And well, you can't only mine from asteroids if you want to be able to manufacture on site as well. So taking a look at this satisfactory design is actually pretty good. But the main difference I would say is you need something more like a tunnel bore going down into the ground so that it pulls the resources back up, because the satisfactory design really doesn't show how that's possible. So instead of open cut, yes, you're mining, but this tunnel bore will go down, send the material up like a conveyor belt, but also taking note of things like solar power from the design of this asteroid miner, and the fact that depending on the size of the planet, maybe we're changing the weight of the planet, which is a consideration for the asteroid mining and potentially planetary mining depending on the size of the planet. And that all combined together, I think actually pretty accurately comes in as a satisfactory miner there. And that, I think, is what's going to be on future planets in 50 years. Thank you for listening to this part, and hope you join me for manufacturing and factory, which is what we'll be looking at next.